got you. Oh, oh. Oh, wait. Oh, oh. Hey, you cheating? Champion!
Woo!
What? Come on!
Champion! Woo!
You cheated!
Champion!
Oh my God, that guy. That guy. Anyways, I decided to make one of these games that I saw on the internet. It's a simple build, super fun. A lot. Well, if you don't cheat, it's a lot of fun. It's a nerve-wracking game, but it's so much fun with the family. I did a basic one that does just a simple joints and glue ups and stuff like that, and then I kicked it up a notch and I did a deluxe one, and I'll show you how I did that. So stick around. Let's do this. I can't believe it. Cheated. Okay, so my plan is we're going to build two. The first one that I plan on doing is going to be a basic, simple build. We're going to try to make it as simple as possible. And we're going to just run some butt joints up the top and the bottom here. Lay this right on top and tack it and glue it. And then sand it down and put a nice finish on it. And that'll be it. It'll be all done. Okay, so we got everything cut out. I changed out the middle piece. I just put in a taller one that I got out of the scrap bin. We're going to sand it all down before we assemble it. Alright, so I think what we'll do is we'll attach this with the old Starbond wood glue trick. What I like to do is mark where I'm going to put the Starbond and the wood glue. And I'll do 3 Starbonds and 2 wood glues. Okay, so next is to put this stretchy bungee cord. So I went ahead and marked all the spots I need to drill, and what I did was I went 2 inches from the back wall, and then from the floor of it I went 2/3 of the way up the puck. The basic one is outside drying. I put a couple coats of finish on it. Let's start the deluxe one. And this one here, we're going to run some rabbit joint so the sides fit really nice and covers up the plywood. And we'll do some miter joints. And then for the base, we're going to run some lines in it, maybe black and maybe white lines, and then a total boat epoxy finish over the top. Alright, so let's see how these fit. Nice tight fit all the way around. Cool. I almost forgot. I wanted to put a notch in the side rails for the middle piece to go slide into. Some quick sanding. Alright, that's enough. Alright, so for the black stripes, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Starbond black CA glue. But first, what I'm going to want to do, though, is I want to dam up the ends. And I'm just going to put a little dollop of hot glue. Okay, so we got the hot glue dammed up. I put some weight on here because this thing's a little cattywampus, so I wanted to dry flat. I'm going to run 2 stripes up the middle. And the reason why I want to do it is because Starbond gave me this white CA glue. And I want to try it out. Also remember, I'll have a coupon code for this, 10% off, in the link below. So. Now what we'll do is we'll flip this over and glue the bottom to it. And what I want to do is put enough glue to stop the epoxy. Then we'll sand the edges. Alright, so I just knocked down the edges, make them a little softer to the touch. Clean this up, and let's put some sanding sealer on there. Alright, so it's time for the epoxy. So I did some calculations, and 9 ounces of each should cover this with it'll be about 1/8 of an inch of coverage. So let's put 9. Where's it? Okay, so everything's all dried up and looking really good. This Total Boat tabletop epoxy is like super smooth and shiny. I'm not too sure if you can see that or not, but it's turned out really, really nice. And the pinstripe from Starbond, awesome. Anyways, so I pre-drilled the holes for the elastic. We'll get those tied off. And then I cut the gold out, and we'll get this inserted with a couple dabs of glue in it. And that's it. And we'll start playing this game. Better get better than that. Hey. Hey, this game is so much fun. We've been playing it a lot. It's a little nerve-wracking, but it's just when you think you're winning, the tables turn and all of a sudden you got all these pucks on your side. So the object of the game is to get rid of all your pucks. A lot of fun. Easy build if you're going to do the basic one like this with just his basic woodworking skills. But it plays the same, you know. But then I kicked it up a notch for this deluxe one. I used some Starbond, some Total Boat, and some fancier joints. Nothing too crazy, but this is really nice. I like the way it slides on this. It's super cool. I want to thank these guys, Total Boat, Starbond, Mag Switch. I think I got a discount code for them, and I have a discount code for Starbond. So check it out, link below. Yeah. So hope you liked it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Hey, you want to play another game? No. I'm good. I'm good. Thank you. Thank you. That guy.